Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the temperature unit in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the other section, click on the settings button. And then at the temperature unit section, you can choose if you want to set your temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, depending on your preference. And if you chose that, just click on the done button and your temperature is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.